Got the replacement ignition unit for the Lister. As you can see, I've got it mounted underneath on the cart now. I used the plank from the skid mounting. Just took the plank off and used the main engine mounting bolts from the cart to align the plank. I have some fine black screws to hold it down, and I drilled a couple small holes for everything, so I've got the ground coming through and the high tension ignition, and then I'm just going to run the trigger lead in the end and under this bar here. And once I get all the wiring in place, I'll have to find a way to keep that up. I haven't decided what to do about the switch. I don't know if I want it to be standing up this way or if I want to find a way to mount it tucked up underneath. So I don't know if I want to stick out the top like this, or if I want to figure out a way to just make it stick off the end. But for now, I've got the main body and wiring hidden, and I decided to keep the engine. I decided to turn the engine around on the plinth again, so that the exhaust wouldn't be spraying at the imaginary operator who might be lifting the cart and moving the cart. So the exhaust is facing away from the cart handles again. Yeah, and after I get because I've got the two grounds spliced on there, so I'll have it on two different mounting holes with grounds. Wait. Sorry. I did drill this so that I would have the high tension lead on this side with the spark plug. I decided to keep it facing... Why did I decide to do that? I don't remember. I thought real hard about that. Now I don't remember why I decided to keep it facing this way, but it's going to stay facing this way, and it's going to get mounted up now. But like I said, two grounds, everything's hidden. I'll finish mounting it up, and then we'll see about running it with the replacement ignition unit. Alright, new ignition unit, all tucked under the board there. Still haven't figured out what I want to do about the wiring, but see if we can get this to start. There we go. All right. We'll let that go for a bit.